Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to change the headlight bulb on your 2005 to 2010 Volkswagen Jetta. It's real quick and simple. If your check light bulb light comes on the dash, all you got to do is swap out the old one for the new one and you're good to go. What's up YouTube, it's your boy Daddy Doug and I'm back with another quick little how-to video. This one is going to be about how to change the headlight on your 2005 to 2010 Volkswagen Jetta. This one's going to be real quick and easy. All you really need is a couple of headlight bulbs from your local auto parts store. Alright, y'all ready? Let's go. Real quick, if this is your first time checking out one of my videos, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Alright, here's the light bulb that I purchased for my car. There'll be a link in the description below for this specific type of light bulb if you want to get the same one for your car. I'm going to pop it out of the package in a second here and then we'll go ahead and demonstrate how to apply it to your vehicle. To show you guys what I'm talking about, when I start my car up, you'll notice that there's a little light bulb symbol that pops up on the dash indicating that there's a light that needs to be changed. So once you figure out which light bulb it is that needs to be changed, you just simply go to an auto parts store, let them know what kind of vehicle you have, the make and model, the year, and then they'll tell you what kind of light bulb you need. In this case, I got the Sylvania H7 Ultra Light Vision. There's that symbol that indicates you need to change your light. So that's what we will be addressing today. To access the headlight that needs to be changed, you're gonna need to simply pop your hood. And in my case, my headlight is this one on the driver's side. So what I'm gonna do is get to the headlight through a casing that's over here behind it in the engine area. To get to the headlight, all you need to do really is just unscrew the plastic cover that's behind it. After you have the case off, you just reach in and grab the plastic fixture that holds the light bulb, and you're going to want to turn that counterclockwise and pull straight out. And as you can see, when you pull it out, you have the busted light bulb that sits inside the plastic fixture, and all you need to do then is take out the busted light bulb. It slides right out, has like a little plug feature that you're going to plug into the fixture. I'm going to go grab the new light bulb. As you can see here, you just take the new light bulb out of its packaging. Once you have that, you're going to take the new light bulb and basically just plug it into the fixture. But as you'll notice here on the top of the fixture as a cutout, that's where you want this little notch to fit in. So you just plug it in, slide the metal notch down in between that area. Once you have it in nice and securely, you're just going to take this, and slide it back into that slot over there and turn it clockwise this time to lock it into place. So here we go, we're going to be placing the new light bulb back inside. And then once you have that placed in there, make sure you turned it clockwise to get it to fit nice and securely. Now that the new light bulb is inside the fixture and placed back inside the headlamp, we're going to go ahead and turn the car on and see if it's functional and see if the dashboard symbol goes away. Here we go. We're starting the car back up. And then let's check and see what's what. There you have it, you guys. You can see that that light bulb symbol has been removed from the dashboard. It is no longer indicating a need to change a light bulb. Quick and easy. And if you come back over to the front of the car and check, you can see that my light is on. It's daytime, so obviously the beam is not that strong, but there is light there, so at nighttime I would be good to go. Both headlights are working and functional. That's how you do it. Remember to replace this plastic cap on the back side of that lighting fixture, you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. If this video was helpful to you in any way, be sure to share it with someone who could use it, or for other how-to videos, make sure you check out some of my other videos that I have available for you.